In this tutorial, I'll show you some quick fixes for Venmo instant transfer error. 1. Use a debit card that supports instant transfer. Because not all debit cards support instant transfers, Venmo will indicate if your card type is supported. 2. Match card and Venmo account names. Ensure the name on your Venmo account and debit card match. Check bank support for instant transfers. Some banks do not support instant transfers. If your bank doesn't support that feature, consider using another bank or opt for a standard bank transfer. 4. Respect Venmo limits. Venmo has weekly transfer limits. Exceeding these limits can cause errors. 5. Follow Venmo's terms and conditions. Venmo reviews all transfers for suspicious and illegal activities. Non-compliance can result in delays, blocks, cancellations, account termination, or fund seizure. And that's it, guys. If it happened, you can also contact Venmo support or contact your bank. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.